AI can be an incredible partner in engineering, but only if used responsibly. In this lesson, we'll explore how to keep control of your projects while benefiting from AI speed and creativity. You'll learn why human oversight is essential, how to protect intellectual property, and how to guide AI suggestions safely. We'll cover practical steps to manage context, refine prompts, and ensure AI enhances, not replaces, your engineering expertise. Think of this as your blueprint for using AI ethically, safely, and effectively in real-world development workflows. Human oversight remains the foundation of responsible AI use in engineering. While AI assistants can draft code, analyze datasheets, or even suggest optimizations, you must remain the decision maker. Always verify AI-generated outputs line by line, ensuring they align with system requirements, safety constraints, and established coding standards. Refining prompts is key to improving accuracy. If an assistant produces ambiguous or incomplete results, rephrase the request, adding specific details about hardware limits, expected outputs, or safety-critical behaviors. Iterative prompting reduces errors and keeps the AI aligned with project goals. Pair AI-generated code with robust testing practices. Unit tests ensure that suggested functions behave correctly under various inputs, while continuous integration pipelines catch potential regressions early. This creates a safety net where AI speeds up development without introducing hidden risks. The goal isn't blind trust in AI, but leveraging it as a fast, reliable brainstorming partner whose suggestions are always validated by your engineering expertise. Responsible AI use extends beyond technical correctness. It's also about ethics and compliance. When using AI coding assistants, never paste proprietary or sensitive data into prompts unless you're certain the tool keeps it secure. Some AI services store prompts for model improvement, creating potential risks of information leaks. Equally important is respecting intellectual property. AI-generated code can draw from open-source datasets. If suggestions are based on licensed code, you're responsible for understanding and honoring those licenses. Always trace the origins of snippets or patterns before committing them to a product that will be commercially distributed. Security should never be an afterthought. Enable built-in vulnerability scanning when available, and manually review AI-generated code for unsafe functions, unchecked inputs, or memory mismanagement. Ethical AI use means delivering solutions that are not only functional, but also secure, legally compliant, and respectful of the broader engineering community's contributions. AI assistants work best when given the right context, but too much context can be risky or counterproductive. Limit the files and data you expose to the assistant to only what's relevant for the current task. This minimizes confusion and prevents unnecessary disclosure of confidential information. When fetching external data or referencing large documentation sets, use protocols like Model Context Protocol, MCP, to safely load information without flooding the assistant with irrelevant details. Keep confidential directories and proprietary designs out of scope by explicitly excluding them from shared project views. Before allowing AI to make large-scale edits, request a plan or summary of proposed changes. This gives you an opportunity to assess potential impacts on multiple files, dependencies, and safety-critical routines. A structured, plan-first approach ensures you maintain control while still benefiting from AI's ability to process complex code bases quickly and efficiently. AI should augment human intelligence, not substitute for it. While assistants can accelerate repetitive coding tasks, draft designs, or highlight potential optimizations, true innovation comes from human creativity. Your engineering judgment is irreplaceable when navigating trade-offs, designing novel solutions, or making safety-critical decisions that AI cannot fully understand. Treat AI outputs as starting points, not final answers. Use them to explore alternative approaches, test assumptions, and rapidly prototype ideas. Always interpret suggestions within the larger system requirements and document the reasoning behind final decisions. This ensures traceability, a crucial factor in professional engineering projects where accountability matters. Responsible AI use also means knowing when not to rely on it. For highly sensitive algorithms, safety-critical firmware, or projects with strict regulatory standards, AI assistants should be carefully constrained or even avoided in favor of manual, peer-reviewed development. Ultimately, AI is most powerful when paired with skilled human engineers who understand its limitations and guide its use wisely. With this approach, you gain speed and flexibility without compromising ethics, safety, or quality.